to start off this video, I'm going to prep my lips with a little bit of the MAC Lip Scrubtious in the shade, scent, flavour, Fruit of Passion. This is a very oily lip scrub with some sugar granules in it just to help, smooth over my lips and get rid of any flaky bits that I might have. And then to prep my skin, I am going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream Hydrant in the shade Pinklite. This just gives a nice kind of lip from within look when I do my foundation and complexion later on. And lastly, I'm going to prep my lips with the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer. So for foundation today, I am going to be going in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Cadiz. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using a mixture. I tried to get a fairly even mixture of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in tan and concealer in deep. I did try, I think they have one called Deep Tan, but it was the wrong undertone for my eyes and it just looked a bit grey and ashy under there. So I found mixing these two give me a pretty good shade and really nice coverage. So after that, I am going to bake my under eye area and down the center of my face with a little bit of the Nye, well actually not a little bit, quite a bit actually, of the Nye Banana Powder as I do usually. You guys know I absolutely love this product. And after leaving it on for just a few minutes, maybe like 5 to 8 minutes, I wiped away the excess powder from the center of my face and underneath my eyes. And I found that this just helps prevent creasing underneath my eyes especially. And it also keeps my makeup in place for the day. So I find like it doesn't kind of sweat off or get patchy or anything like that when I use this technique. So just wiping that off, I am then going to be filling in my brows. I'm using, this is like the second brow product I ever purchased. This is the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brunette. And it's only got a little bit left. I'm just kind of trying to finish it up. I've just had it for way too long, but it is a really good brow pencil. It's got a nice angular tip, so it just makes it for a really quick and easy job to fill in my brows, because as you can see, they don't really need that much filling in, just kind of neatens them up a little bit. And then to set that all in place, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is just a clear brow gel that holds everything in place and flicks the hairs in the direction that you want to flick them. So for eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm first going in with the shade Amber, just in my crease and on the outer third of my eyelid. And then to create a little bit of depth, I'm going to be using the shade Oud, a little bit more precisely, but in the same areas. This just helps create layers and makes the eyeshadow look a little bit more intricate than just using one eyeshadow color. And just there, I used a little bit of Blazing, which is a bright orange, on the upper part of the crease. So next I'm going to prep the inner third of my eyelid with a little bit of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I found this helps lighter shades really pop on my skin tone. And I'm taking Rose Pink from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. And then just a little bit of the MAC Pigment in Whisper Pink, I believe it's called, just on the center of my eyelids, just to catch the light. And again, create a little bit of dimension to the eyeshadow look. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be using Cyprus Umber from the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette as well, and then I'm going to smoke that out with a little bit of Blazing from the Huda Beauty palette. Again, just creating layers. I mean, it kind of creates a nice harmonious look without just using one eyeshadow, if that makes any sense. So to bronze up my skin, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Radiant Light Bronze, and I'm also going to be putting a little bit over my nose. It just helps the bronziness look a little bit more natural. And then for blush, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic blush in the shade The Climax before highlighting my inner corners, my brow bone, the tops of my cheeks, and the dip of my nose and a little bit above my eyebrows with the MAC Cosmetics Mineralize Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. Now I'm pretty much going to put this L'Oreal gel liner. It's just a black gel liner. You can use your favorite gel liner right around my eyes, so on my waterline, on my tight line, on my upper lash line, and then I'm going to create a little wing as well. For falsies, to prep for falsies, I'm going to be using the MAC Bad and Bold Lash Mascara, and then for falsies, I applied the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Madeline lashes. These were quite heavy, but I think they really accentuated the look and made it look a lot more dramatic than going without lashes. So I was really happy with how these lashes looked on me as well. For lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Hover. You guys know I absolutely love this lip pencil. It is my perfect nude Kylie Jenner-esque shade for my skin tone. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Whirl. Again, really just a nice nude on my skin tone. Really, really nice look. And then setting everything in place with a little bit of the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the new Pinklite shade. And that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!